Hello, and welcome to Read and Listen to English with Ben. Today, we're going to be reading the third and final chapter of the third story from Olly Richards' book, Short Stories in English. If you like these videos, please feel free to give them a like, subscribe to the channel, or leave your thoughts in the comments below. That being said, hope you enjoy. Chapter 3 The Secret. Lars, Alfred, and the guards walked towards Arturen's castle. "How are we going to get into the castle?" asked Alfred. "Through the front door," Lars said, and laughed very hard. Then he gave Alfred a strange look. Alfred looked at him silently. "Something feels wrong," thought Alfred. The group walked through the countryside. There were trees and fields. The fields were covered in grass. On the way, they passed many farmers. The farmers lived outside the castle's walls. They grew food to feed the kingdom. One of the farmers saw the group. They were near his field. He stopped working and spoke to them. "Good afternoon, sir," the farmer said to Lars. "Good afternoon," Lars called back. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to the castle. We must see the king." The farmer's wife came over. "Who are these men?" she whispered to her husband. Her husband didn't answer. Soon the farmer asked, "Who are you? I see your horses are carrying a load. King Andur sent us. He has given us an important task." The farmer was silent. Then he spoke. "I hope nothing bad has happened." He looked at Lars with concern. "No, don't worry." Lars replied with a smile. "Everything is fine." "Well, have a good journey then," said the farmer. He went back to work. The group continued walking across the fields. Alfred turned to the knight. "It seemed like they were frightened," he commented. "They were. But why?" "Because there is a secret. Only people in this kingdom know, and they want to keep it safe." "And what is it? Is it something dangerous?" Lars didn't answer. Soon the men came to a big stone bridge. It was near the castle. Again, it was similar to the bridge at King Andur's castle. Two guards were on the bridge. One of them came over. He looked at Alfred. "Are you King Andur's men?" "Yes, I represent the king," answered Alfred. Then he indicated Lars. "This knight kept us safe during the journey. The other two guards are with us." The guard looked at the wagon. Then he asked, "Is that the gold?" "Yes," replied Lars, "it's the gold." "Okay," said the guard, "you may pass." Alfred looked at Lars in surprise. Lars seems to know the kingdom of Arturen very well, Alfred thought. The guard gave a sign to open the door. Another guard stood by the door as they entered. They walked into the castle's market square. There were lots of people. Many of them were market traders. Others were farmers. The group walked across the square. Suddenly, Alfred looked puzzled. "I know this place," he said. "It's similar to the market square in King Andur's castle," said Lars. "Yes, it's almost identical. A long time ago, the two kingdoms were joined," explained Lars. "That's why they are so similar. But that was before the great battle. Now they have no social contact. The people of the two kingdoms don't like each other at all." The horses and the wagon neared the castle doors. The castle itself was also very similar to King Andur's. In fact, the structure was exactly the same. Two guards went to unload the gold. Lars and Alfred went to see King Arturen. They entered the king's rooms. King Arthurin called out, "Welcome to my kingdom." "Good afternoon, your majesty," replied Lars. "Lars, it's really you. I'm so happy to see you." "I'm happy to see you too, your majesty." Alfred didn't understand at all. How did Lars and the king know each other? "Have you brought the gold, Lars?" "Yes, it's yours." "Excellent. We can start our plan." Alfred looked surprised. "What plan is that?" he thought. Lars took out the strength potions. He had brought them from King Andur's kingdom. He gave them to King Arthurin. Arthurin carefully measured the amounts. "What is happening?" Alfred asked. Lars and Arthurin looked at each other. Then Lars spoke. "I must tell you something, Alfred," he began. Alfred took a few steps back. He was frightened. How did the king and Lars know each other? Why did Lars buy those strength potions? King Arthurin had magic water. He could make them himself. Lars walked over. "Alfred," he began again, "this kingdom ran out of magic water a long time ago." "What? Does King Andur know?" "No, he doesn't. But we must tell him." Lars just looked at Alfred. Alfred became suspicious. "Why did you give the strength potions to this king? It is an act against King Andur." "These are some of the last potions for strength. There is no more magic water. Do you understand?" Alfred nodded. Lars continued, "We might be able to make more magic water. We will use these potions instead of original water." Then Lars added, "We have always used original water, but this might work, we hope." Alfred was angry. "We have paid the gold for nothing. You betrayed me, Lars," he cried. "You betrayed King Andur." "Yes, I lied, but I did it to maintain peace," said Lars. "I want no blood on my hands." He looked at Alfred and hoped he would understand. "How will this keep peace?" replied Alfred. "The secret is that there is no more magic water. No one knows now, but soon people will find out. Then Andur will know you stole the gold." Lars stopped smiling. "Alfred, King Andur cannot find out that there's no magic water. The result will be war. Peace will be over. King Andur will attack Arthurin." "So you will make magic water for Andur with the potions?" asked Alfred. "Yes, just to keep the peace," Lars said, "if we can." Excuse me. Alfred looked at Lars suspiciously again. The comment worried him. "What do you mean, if we can?" Lars looked at Alfred. Then he spoke slowly. "As I said, we usually make new magic water with pure magic water. We mix magic water with normal water. The normal water becomes magic." Then Lars paused. "But there is no more pure magic water. The original water is gone. And, well, we will try." "Try what?" "We will try to make magic water from these potions. The potions have the magic water in them. We will mix the potions with normal water. Maybe it will make the normal water become magic." "Maybe?" "Maybe!" cried Alfred. "And what if it doesn't? As you said, there is no more magic water." Lars was silent. After a moment, King Arthurin answered. "If the potion does not work," he explained, "then the battle at the Silent Woods was not the last one. There will be a war." Okay, well done for getting to the end of that. That was the end of that story. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going away on holiday for a couple of weeks, so I will be taking 1 week off. This video has been prepared before I've gone away on holiday. So next week there will not be a video. However, the week after, when I come back, I will start the new story, and you can listen along to that. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day, a nice weekend, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Thank you.